Have you ever noticed how poorly organized classes that have the word pre in them are? Pre-algebra classes are just randomly disorganized math class that lurch idiotically from one topic to the next. Pre-calculus classes are even worse. They just go from one random topic to the next one, no connection between them, and obviously people learn a thing and forget it because the next topic doesn't connect to the one before it. Here's why. Pre-algebra isn't a thing. Pre-calculus isn't a thing. Algebra is a thing. Calculus is a thing. Geometry is a thing. Trigonometry is a thing. Arithmetic is a thing. But pre-algebra, pre-calculus, all of that, it's just nonsense. It's just a way to waste your time, and that's what those courses do. To use a similar example, when you have in your school, you'll probably have something like Algebra 1, and then followed by Algebra 2, then followed by pre-calculus. That's 3 years of algebra. For what? For what? Why do you need 3 years to learn algebra? You don't. It's just a way for your school to waste your time. Well, here's what we do at Vora Method. We don't do pre-anything. We'll teach you arithmetic. We'll teach you algebra. We teach you geometry, trigonometry, and calculus. Now you're saying, well, wait a second. That doesn't sound like it's going to take 10 years. It doesn't. It's not supposed to. There's a reason that so many of our students take the BC Calculus AP exam in 8th or 9th or 10th grade. It's because we're not wasting time on nonsense that doesn't exist. We just do one thing, do the next thing. Of course, we review as we go. You guys have seen that in class with the review questions and whatnot. Of course, we make sure you actually learn it, but we don't make sure that you learn it by just wasting 3 years on nonsense. We just review whatever needs to be reviewed. It's one of the big advantages of our individualized approach. With Vora Method Math, you can go much more quickly ahead in math, learn the math much better, much more efficiently, not have it full of filler stuff and nonsense and busy work the way that you would in school. Don't let your school hold you back. Don't work at their pace. Their pace is artificially slow. Instead, learn as quickly as you can. You can do that here at Vora Method. You can do it on your own with workbooks or whatever, but don't waste your time going at your school's stupid pace, wasting time on non-existent subjects.